not experiencing the reality that you want for yourself, because you are not the narrator of your story. Someone wrote your story so that you give consent to it and you give power to it. So evidently it's your reality because you gave the power to it. Take your power back, create your own reality, narrate your own story. See what I'm saying? Narrate your own story. You are the creator. You are the source of power. Pay attention to how you feel. Go deep within. See what I'm saying? You gotta receive this. You gotta receive this. Like and like I like to tell all the low vibrational beings, people that come in here with all that negativity, I like to tell them, question why you feel the way that you feel about what I'm saying. That's gonna get you to the root cause of it. That's gonna get you clarity before you go to speaking all negative, because at the end of the day, like you have to be careful where you direct this negative energy. You got to be careful, because we got a lot of powerful primordial deities, a lot of powerful fucking beings that came back to raise the vibration, help the collective rise. Me being one. We got a lot of us that came back for this mission. This is our mission. So you are fucking with the divine power. You are fucking with, come on, don't do that. Save yourself. Save yourself the punishment. Because we are divinely protected. This is pure love speaking. This is pure love. So watch that energy. And you ain't gotta take it from me. Just keep it up. You'll see. Just keep it up.